Good morning! So I decided this morning when I woke up at like 8:30 I was gonna cook. So I ate breakfast and got ready and all and took a shower, and now I'm at Walmart picking up food supplies. I can't find it. And doing life, and then I'm gonna go home and cook and make a cooking with Kayla. Sounds like a plan. Good morning. I already said that with my other part, but my hair's did, my outfit's great. About to cook some stuff up. This is the recipe, wrote it out because it's usually on my phone, but nope, because I'm filming on my phone, And we gonna start cooking. I should probably put this where could I put this? I could put this over here. Could I put this over here? Does that work? Yeah, that works. I'm pretty sure the hardest part of cooking for me is actually getting the ingredients out and stuff. Ugh. So today we are making red velvet little mini cakes. So when I measure, I don't measure with perfect stuff. It just kind of rolls out as much as I want, and then I just add it on in. This seems vinegary enough. I know it's apple cider vinegar, but I don't think we have regular vinegar, so I'm just not gonna put as much. Teaspoon. I'm actually going to measure this because I don't want a nasty cake. Nasty cake is not good for the soul, or anyone for that fact. I just don't do it. Measure if you're gonna put something nasty like vinegar in a cake, because the recipe says to put vinegar in it, and you're just kind of okay. I think it's because I'm not using buttermilk, which has this really nasty tangy taste to it. I don't know if anyone's ever had buttermilk, but I decided to taste it one day. Don't recommend you do that, ever. It melted. We're good. Beep, 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 beep. Stuff up. So I was just informed when I read the recipe again that I was supposed to beat eggs before I did any of this. So, oh well. I don't know if any of you people watch MasterChef, but I've always wanted to try cracking an egg in each hand and doing this, and this is probably not going to work out well. And I was just oh, there's so many shells in there that did not work. I mean, because when they're beat, right? So, I honestly have no idea where this video is going, and I honestly don't know what I was saying just then, so So in ounces it says 1 ounce of red food coloring, but this is 1 ounce of red food coloring. I don't want to put that much in there at all. No. There's a whole lot of red in that now. We'll start from there. We'll go from there. Where's my whisk? The eggs are still beating, so we're just gonna whisk this. That is really red. This is how red it is. Here, cake now is ready-ish, I think, and I'm gonna get it out, hopefully. Okay, here's the cake. Super duper small. Yeah. Okay. Continue. Oh, I'll need to put this down here again. So, I have decided that I'm also going to make a white cake and try this again, because, why not? Okay, so here's a little slice. It's super thin. I'm making a tiny thin little layer cake thing. You know, it's not bad. Not at all. We're just gonna play with creativity on this, you know? Do the stuff and maybe make some cake pops with this. And minutes.
No, don't make it a cam scene. Like a whole cam scene. What's up? It's like cutting off half my face to begin with.
I can't even see what I'm putting it on. Is it on now? There you go. See, it's a cam scene.
Currently dying from hornet bites. I don't know. Or hornet stings. They don't really bite, they sting.
It's a sting. Yeah. That was a thing for a while.
Katie showed me a Facebook post by her uncle.
Don't go all the way down.
Oh, those are pretty.
Hit that.
Oh, whoa, I was saying.
1, 2, 3.
Feliz
birthday to you. Happy birthday